Hello everyone, my name is Mudi Dasari from class 3 with last student ID number 251. Here I will explain about the criminal justice system in Egypt or Turkey. The criminal justice system in Egypt is a combination of secular law and Islamic law, Sharia. Egypt has implemented criminal and civil law codes since the 19th years old century, which were heavily influenced by the French legal system, but still incorporate elements of Islamic law in several aspects. In this context, Egyptian criminal law is not entirely based on Sharia, but Islamic law remains one of the source of reference in the formation of regulation, especially in certain cases involving the Muslim community. Criminal law in Egypt is regulated by the Egyptian Penal Code, which was first enacted in 1858 and has undergone several revisions since then. The Egyptian Criminal Code is an adaptation of French criminal law from 1810, but it retains several elements of Islamic law, particularly terms of cases retaliatory punishment and death compensation for death and injury. In addition, Egyptian criminal law also adheres to the principle of legality, which means that there is no crime and no punishment without a predominant legal provision. The principle was confirmed ruling by the Egyptian Court of Cassation in November 1966 and in Article 66 and 187 of the 1971 Permanent Constitution of Egypt. If someone violates criminal law in Egypt, they will be subject to sanction in accordance with the type of crime committed, ranging from imprisonment, fine, forced labor to the death penalty. For example, in case of international murder, the perpetrator may be sentenced to life imprisonment with her labor. Meanwhile, in case of rioting or illegal possession of weapons, such as those that occur during political protests, the rest of people may be sentenced to years in prison. The criminal justice system in Egypt consists of several levels, ranging from the district court Al-Mahkamah Al-Juz'iyah, which is presided over by a single judge, to higher courts that handle more serious cases. One real-life example is the sentencing of 102 supporters of cause President Mohamed Morsi to 10 years in prison. They were found guilty of casing riots and illegally processing weapons during clashes on Cairo that led to the death of a citizen. Although this sentence was strongly criticized by the international community, according to Egyptian law, this action constitutes criminal offenses that are punishable by severe punishment. In practice, Egypt also applies the general principle of modern criminal law, such as the presumption of innocence and the requirement in clear proof of guilt before a difference in sentence. The principle is in line with Islamic legal values that impossible the imposition of avoiding mistake in sentencing, especially in case involving head punishment, fixed punishment in Islam, such as amputation on the death penalty. If there is no doubt in the evidence, judges are required to acquit the defendant rather than impose the wrong sentence. Historically, the Egyptian legal system has evolved since ancient Egypt, with pharaohs as the highest authority in enforcing the law. At the time, criminals regulated crimes such as the death, robbery, and murder with harsh punishment, including death, exile, form of physical punishment. This historical legally state influenced the legal culture and society free of justice. Thus, the Egyptian criminal justice system combines secular and Islamic law while emphasizing the principles of legality and case, although in prestige if often draw controversy, especially in political cases or case human rights violations.